Luxury 3-story home na may swimming pool at sobrang ganda. May 6-car garage pa. Pagpasok mo, impressive ang triple height ceiling. Ang ganda pa ng chandelier. Open layout ang living, dining, and kitchen area at napaka-elegante ng mga materials. Meron tong total of 5 bedrooms at lahat ng bedrooms may sariling bathroom, may AC, at may design. Meron tong lot area na 280 square meters and floor area na 365 square meters at nasa loob to na isang safe, gated, and flood-free subdivision dito sa BF Homes. At ang swimming pool niya ang haba. May falls pa yan. Yung price and details nasa description box below the video. Siguradong magugustuhan mo yung second floor, lalo na yung third floor na talagang napakalaki. Kaya panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines at baka ito na ang bahay na hinihintay mo. Follow and subscribe ka na rin kasi dito mo makikita ang dream house mo at marami pa tayong nice houses na pwede mong pagpilian. Pero ito yung pinakamaganda.